If you are new to red light therapy and you are considered starting it, but you're not sure which therapy equipment would be best for you, I recommend ask yourself one question. What is my therapeutic goal? What I want to do? What sort of results I expect? So if you plan to do light therapy to improve your skin health, sometimes called anti-aging, then of course you focus on the equipment which produces the best results for these therapeutic goals. And you have many choices. You can choose face mask if you want to do light therapy focusing on your skin on the face, or you can choose the tabletop panel, which will help you do light therapy not only for face but also for your neck and shoulders or other areas if you just move the light around. You cannot do it with face mask because it's designed only specifically to do light therapy for face. But if you want whole body benefit from improvement in the skin health, then you can buy larger panel like this one, for instance, or even bigger to shine the light on all over your body. So you just need to ask yourself, what is my therapeutic goal? And choose the product that ticks all the boxes for you. And the good news is that if you go for the product from a reputable company, like for instance Mito Red Lights or Platinum LED, they offer you 60 days trial period, so you can test the light, check if it works for you. Do you get results you expected? If yes, that's great. Keep it and use it for many years of enjoyable red light therapy at home. But if it doesn't work for you for whatever reason, you can just return the light and get something else which better suits your therapeutic needs. So if you're interested in products from Mito or Red Light, they offer wide range of products. You can use my affiliate link down below, and with my discount code you can get these lights even cheaper. I think it's a win-win for everyone. So if you're interested in more tips about red light therapy at home, please consider subscribing, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.